In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bulk edit prices on Shopify. Bulk editing is one of the fastest ways to update pricing across many products or variants without opening each item one by one. This is especially helpful when you are running a sale, adjusting margins, or correcting pricing mistakes. The key is knowing where the bulk editor is and making sure the right columns are visible before you start changing anything. To begin, go to the area where your products are listed and make sure you are viewing the items you want to update. Once you have your list ready, look toward the bottom of the screen and click Bulk Edit. This opens a spreadsheet-style editor where each row represents a product or variant, and each column represents a field you can change. Before you type in any new prices, check to see whether the Price and Compare at Price columns are visible. If you do not see one or both of them, go to the top right and click Columns. A menu will open with a list of fields you can show or hide. Select Price, and also select Compare at Price if you plan to display a sale price comparison. Once selected, those columns will appear in the table. Now you are ready to edit. Click directly into the cell you want to change and type the new value. Work carefully and take your time as you move from cell to cell. A good habit is to double-check that you are editing the correct row, especially if your products have multiple variants, since each variant can have its own price. If you are using Compare at Price, remember that it is typically set higher than the actual price, so customers can see the markdown. As you make changes, keep your formatting consistent and make sure you are entering the correct currency value for your store. If you need to adjust many entries, scroll steadily and review a few rows as you go to confirm everything looks right. When you are finished with all edits, click Save. This applies your bulk changes and updates the products in your Shopify admin. Give it a moment to process and avoid leaving the page until the save is complete. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.